decorating the house.
Today is my birthday. I am in the living room with my family. The house is small but nice. There is a soft carpet on the floor. A table and 4 chairs are near the sofa. A lamp is next to the piano. The curtains are clean and white. We decorate the room every year. My mother hangs a garland on the wall. I put a tablecloth on the table. My sister puts flowers in a flower vase. The vase is near the lamp. Some balloons are on the chair. My father is cleaning the garden. My brother is helping him. The children play on the grass near the trees. We have good food and drinks. The lights are bright. Everyone feels happy.